Welcome to this week's Joe Cooks. Hope everyone's had a nice week in that. I thought, because we haven't made a sweet for a few weeks, we'd have a go at making some pancakes. We've got Pancake Tuesday coming up in a few weeks. I think it's the 21st of February. Good time to get some practice in. Really easy. Only a few ingredients. We're using the hob today with a frying pan or a pancake pan. I've got this cheap one from Lidl's. It's a bit bent, but it's alright. Does the job, So yeah, we'll just get straight into it. The ingredients will be in the description, along with the equipment as normal. I say there's only a few, so we'll just go through them as we're going along. All set up, let's just get cracking now. It's as simple as just chucking everything in a jug and mixing it up. You get this one under your belt, you know, it's a good one, a batter. Because like, you make these, you can make Yorkshire puddings, you can even make cakes. Cakes is only a batter with fat added, really. So we're going to start with 50 grams of plain flour. We'll get that whacked in. Doesn't have to be absolutely spot on, you know. It's quite forgiving, this one, like, quite forgiving. 51, that's fine for me. It's fine for me. We're going to go in with a spoon of canderel, about 1 gram. You can use sugar if you want. I just find this one dissolves a lot better. And it's not too bad, you know, it's not too bad. So, a gram of that. 200 grams of milk. I'm using semi-skimmed. You can use any milk you want, really, like, any milk you want. But yeah, what's your favourite topping? Put in the comments what your favourite fillings and toppings are. I mean, we'll move on to toppings in a minute, but mine's just basically like fruit. I'm going to be making a sugar and lemon one, because that's what we used to have as kids in the northeast and that. Like a traditional one. I don't really like them, but it's tradition, so I'm going to be doing it anyway. Right, we're going to go in with 2 eggs. Just crack them in. It's as simple as this, you know, simple as this. And it's just a case of whisking it up. I'm a bit conscious of my arms this week after the grater incident in last week's video. So hopefully I'm not going to be all arms this time. So yeah, we'll just get this. We'll batter and we'll just give it a good mix. Mix it for about a minute or two till all the flour's dispersed. Right, that's nicely whisked now. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to sit this aside to rest for about 10 minutes. In the meantime, we'll move over, we'll set our pan up and that. Because setting the pan up is crucial to great pancakes, you know. And it's so simple. Once you get it right once, you'll never fail again. You'll never fail again. I'll set up by the cooker now. I've got my cooker, my hob, sorry, on number 4. I'm just going to warm the pan up gently. The trick with pancakes is to get the pan as clean as you can, yeah? I've given this one a good wash. It looks clean, but it's still quite dirty. So the trick is, we'll give it a little spray fry light, we'll heat it up, and we'll wipe it out with kitchen foil. Kitchen roll, sorry. And you'll see the dirt come off. It's quite amazing, really, like, quite amazing. So we'll just stick a lid on to heat it up a bit quicker. Then we'll wipe it out. The pan's had a couple of minutes now. It's nice and hot. It's smoking a little bit. I'm going to do is going to take the kitchen roll and just give it a good wipe round. I'll show you the dirt that comes off. I mean, it's not filthy, but any bit of dirt that's left will give the pancake a chance to stick. And that's what we're trying to avoid. So, look at that. Look. So we'll put it back on the heat. We'll give it another spray fry light. See, I'm on number 4, so it's quite hot, but it's not red hot. And we'll bring in our batter and we'll start cooking. Don't be dismayed if you lose the first one. I mean, I'm hoping to get 3 pancakes out of this. I'll probably get 3, but I might only be able to keep 2 because the god of pancakes comes down and takes the first one sometimes. And there's not a lot you can do about it. But we'll have a go at getting 3. Right, so we've got that in. Just roll it around, fill the gaps up. Get it back on the heat. And it's just a case of cooking it now. I'm going to cook it with the lid off for a couple of minutes, and I'm going to put the lid on. You don't have to use the lid. This lid's off a different pan actually. I've got about 7 pans and 3 lids like everyone has. Well, I just find if you put a lid on, it keeps it nice and soft and that. It's lush. It's lush. Right, this has had a couple of minutes now. We'll get the lid off. And what we want to do is just run an ordinary dinner knife just round the edge and just lift the edge up. And I'm not going to be a hero and try and flip it, but you can on Pancake Day and that. I'm just going to turn it over and put it on the other side. Look at that. Look at how golden that is. That's lush, that, man. That's the first one. The second one and the third one will be even better. They'll be even better. So I'll just put the lid back on for about another minute. I'm going to set a plate up to take the cooked pancakes out of. And yeah, we're good, we're good. Right, I've got my plate set up now, just an ordinary dinner plate with a couple of bits of kitchen roll on. And we're just going to take it out. This will be lovely and soft, you know, lovely and soft. Look at that, lush, man, lush. Look, it's red hot like, but it's pliable. Lovely, man, lovely. So we'll just repeat this until we run out of pancake mix, and we'll move over and we'll start putting some toppings in. Absolutely gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. So it's the same routine. Quick white round, little spray fry light, in with some pancake mix. Lush, man, lush. Right, let's bring in what we've made. Look at these beauties. Check them out, man. So simple. If I can make these, you can make them. Anyone can make them. Because I ain't no chef, you know. Just some bloke trying to encourage people to cook. Look at them. Perfect, man. Got all 3 of them, that. So, the God let us have it today. That's nice of him. That's nice of him. Well, like I said, toppings can be anything you want. Toppings and fillings, you know. Just go for it. Go for it. If you're having a treat, go mad. I'm going to have a bit of a treat today, like, so it's all good. It's all good. But what I normally have in the northeast when we were youngins was just a plain one. So we'll do this one first. Like I say, I'm not really keen on this one, like, but it's tradition. So, and that's basically lemon juice and sugar or golden syrup if you had golden syrup. I'm not even keen on that, like, so, but bit of lemon. Yeah, if you like these type of videos, you know, hit the like button and that, hit subscribe and that for us and that. I think I've got 81 subscribers up to now, which is great, man, which is great. Didn't think of that. But yeah, I'd like to thank everyone who stuck around to watch them and that, because it's great, man, it's great. Right, bit of sugar. That's the first one, nice and plain and that. Yeah, tell us what you do on Shrove Tuesday and that in your countries and that. Because I don't suppose we're the only ones that have pancakes and that. I mean, the French have crêpes Suzettes and everything, so they must do something with them. But that's the basic one. So we'll take another pancake. Look at this, man. Them pancakes are fantastic, you know. You could probably make them in the less time than it takes for me to make this video. What I'm going to do, I'm going to fill it with fruit. The mixed berries. You'll have seen these on my channel a few times and that. I love them. I love them. So healthy, so healthy. Well, it's not all about being healthy. We're still going to have a treat. We're still going to have a treat. And this is my treat for today. Some whipped cream. Love this stuff. Love this stuff. Looks like you get loads for hardly any. But watch this, man. Look at that. Yeah, get it in. Happy Pancake Day. Lush, man. Lush. We're just going to fold it over. Get the cream to squirt out a little bit. Oh, it looks lush, man, doesn't it? Doesn't that look nice? We'll get rid of that pancake because we don't need that one. I'll feed it to someone who comes round, maybe. And yeah, bit of honey to finish it off. They say people use golden syrup. I'm not keen on golden syrup. But use what you want. Use what you want. I'm still trying to keep my arms out the way. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and that. Join us next week. I'm in the food bank now, so some of the meals might be a bit random and that, which is fine. That's the best challenge. That's the best challenge. But yeah, until next week, stay safe, be kind, get in your kitchens and make yourself some pancakes. Fantastic, fantastic.